Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.